As we approach the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 on January 17, leaks continue to provide insights into the features of the upcoming phones. The latest leak, reportedly marketing materials for the Galaxy S24 series, suggests advanced AI photo editing capabilities. According to the leaked materials obtained by Android Headlines, the Galaxy S24 range will offer AI-driven photo editing features. The revealed photo editing interface includes a generate button at the bottom, enabling the removal of subjects from a photo and repositioning them within the frame. Similar features have been demonstrated in previous leaks. Additionally, the leaked information indicates that video editing enhancements, leveraging AI for stabilization and noise reduction, will be part of the Galaxy S24 series. These AI-powered functionalities are expected to be prominent selling points for the devices. The leak aligns with the growing trend of AI integration in smartphones, reminiscent of features available on Google Pixel phones through Google Photos. Such capabilities include subject removal and dynamic object placement within images. Samsung has hinted at a strong focus on AI at the Galaxy S24, extending beyond photo editing to features like real-time translations during calls. Another leaked feature suggests an AI-enhanced on-screen keyboard, allowing users to modify the tone and style of their text effortlessly. As Samsung aims to keep pace with advancements in AI, the Galaxy S24 series is anticipated to deliver a comprehensive set of AI-driven tools. The official unveiling on January 17 will provide a complete overview of Samsung's AI-centric approach with the Galaxy S24.